Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and check deleted messages on your Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now take note, this step can works both for Android and iPhone, so it does not matter what device you are using. Once you have logged in inside your Snapchat right here, you can just go ahead and click on your profile icon, which is at the upper left corner of your screen, and inside you will then be able to see the gear icon. Of course, you want to go ahead and click on it to go ahead and take us to the account settings. And inside your setting account, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the account actions right here. And inside the section accounts action, you will then be able to see a settings called my data. So for my case, it is at the bottom of my screen, which is right here. So just go ahead and click on my data. Inside my data, you will then be able to see all of your available data inside right here, data available for download. For example, we have the file types right here. You have the HTML files or you have the JSON files. Just go ahead and select your preferred file type, and inside you will then be able to see a lot of your information, datas, and more. So you have to make sure that you have the chat history checked right here. So just go ahead and make sure that is enabled. You have your snap history, chat history, my AI, and talk history. You could also go ahead and download some of your informations right here, the memories and other media, the support history, shopping, spotlight, and of course, just go ahead and enable it if you want to. So to proceed, you want to go ahead and click on next, and inside you will then be able to see the date range of your data. Make sure to go ahead and include the date that you wish to recover right here. And lastly, you want to go ahead and type your email, and they will go ahead and send your data to your email to keep it safe. Now after entering your email, just go ahead and click on submit, and then you should be able to check for the deleted messages on your Snapchat. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.